Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP in Excel. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this video will guide you step by step through both functions, helping you understand how to use them effectively in your spreadsheets. First, we'll start with VLOOKUP, a popular function that's been around for a long time. After that, we'll move on to XLOOKUP, a more recent addition to Excel that offers more flexibility and functionality. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use both functions to search for and retrieve data from your Excel sheets. Let's begin with VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It searches for a value in the first column of a range and returns a value in the same row from another column you specify. To use VLOOKUP, you need 4 arguments: the value you want to look up, the range where you want to search, the column number from which to retrieve the data, and whether you want an exact or approximate match. Open your Excel sheet and let's try an example. Suppose you have a table with 2 columns, one for product names and another for prices. You want to find the price of a specific product. To do this, enter the formula: VLOOKUP product name A2 B10 2 false. Replace product name with the actual product you are searching for, A2 B10 with the range of your data, 2 with the column number for prices, and false to get an exact match. In this formula, product name is the value you're looking up. A2 B10 is the range where Excel will search. The number 2 tells Excel to return the value from the second column of that range. False means you want an exact match. One common issue with VLOOKUP is that it can only search in the first column of your range and return values to the right. It also requires the data to be sorted in ascending order if you're using an approximate match. Now, let's talk about XLOOKUP, which addresses some of these limitations. XLOOKUP is more versatile and easier to use. It can search for a value in any column and return a result from any column, even if it's to the left of the search column. XLOOKUP requires 3 main arguments: the lookup value, the lookup array, and the return array. There are also optional arguments for match mode and search mode. Using the same example, let's find the price of a product with XLOOKUP. Enter the formula XLOOKUP, product name, A2, A10, B2, B10. Replace product name with the product you are looking for, A2, A10 with the range of product names, and B2, B10 with the range of prices. In this formula, product name is the value you're looking up, A2. A10 is the range where Excel searches for the product name, and B2. B10 is the range from which it will return the corresponding price. XLOOKUP automatically performs an exact match unless you specify otherwise. One major advantage of XLOOKUP is its ability to search from top to bottom or bottom to top and return values from the left or right of the lookup column. It also handles errors more gracefully by allowing you to specify a value to return if no match is found. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you next time.